you excited for our boat tour?
Yeah, it's a beautiful day. It's really nice out, and we haven't seen the city from this point of view before.
Because it's morning time.
Yeah.
We're here during morning time, just the wee hours of it.
Fish and foliage from all around the world.
Get on the door, Jack. I'm so. That's not what she said.
Freshwater, saltwater fish.
Okay.
We're going away. Get your bag, check the tag. Decision is made. Lock your door, need no more. It's a journey for life, and I'm your ride. Hang on, I cannot go wrong.
It's really bright. I can't even see.
Why didn't you bring your sunglasses?
Oh, I did. They're in the backpack.
Oh!
Yeah.
Let's get them out!
That's fine.
So we could have went back.
I didn't want to. Don't record that. I didn't hear what you were saying, but I guess I will later.
Talking about my sunglasses that I left at the hotel.
They use chicory.
What is chicory exactly?
I think it's wood.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, and they boil it in water and drink it. They cut coffee with it.
Got your motherfucking beignets.
Yummy.
What do you think?
Is it good?
Oh yeah. Oh my god, those are delicious.
Wait, show me your technique for how do you eat a vignette? You gotta arch the back here, butt out. Okay, okay. Rhonda's got the true form right here. Perfect.
What do I look like? A man.
Squatting on the
Eating a vignette.
All my sugar came off.
What size are these things?
trolleys.
What are we doing?
Waiting for the old folks to empty their bladders.
We're in the French Quarter.
That too. Outside Cafe Beignet in the French Quarter.
There they are.
Pound of caramel.
What?
It's just a block of caramel, just straight caramel. Or you can have a pet gator. Look, Chris, it's a gator.
Shut up.
Look, it's a real alligator.
I'm And what is the peanut butter chocolate chunk?
It looks like M&M's and peanut butter.
M&M's, chocolate chunks, and peanut butter. Could I try that one?
Chill the fudge out, Krista.
Like anything else? What did you try?
The peanut butter chocolate jam.
Or something.
You can dip an apple in it or cut it, I guess.
They have toppings.
Krista.
I know. Adam was like, look, a gator. And I was like, shut up. They have Mardi Gras stuff. So beautiful out here today. What up? We're about to get on a boat cruise, a riverboat. We're gonna do a riverboat tour with some lunch and jazz music, and it's gonna be so freaking cool. What's up, guys? Are you excited for our boat tour?
Yeah, it's a beautiful day. It's really nice out, and we haven't seen the city from this point of view before, so it'll be exciting.
The Mississippi?
Because it's morning time.
Yeah.
we're here during morning time, just the wee hours of it.
The wee hours.
It's not that early.
Yeah, but
It's like 11.
it's still got that nice morning feel.
Yeah. Did you see the tugboat out there?
Oh, nice. So, yeah, we're doing a riverboat tour in the Mississippi, and we're gonna have some lunch and listen to some jazz music and get to see a different view of the city. It's gonna be pretty fun.
I'm stoked. I'm not gonna do that.
Do it.
Pumped.
Like, I don't know.
Just cut the
We're pumped. I don't know. I'm lame. Whatever.
Thank you.
All right.
Over by you, by the delta, there's a river that runs both ways, and the cypress alleys go on for days. If you want to, we can go there, and to be there with you. In the summer, I'm out there fishing. When the catfish is ready to bite, and when the nets are filled with crawfish, it's a sight. If you want to, we can go there, and to be there.
These are the levees that broke during Hurricane Katrina. Flooded the lower ninth ward with 14 feet of water.
You're running on the real water. The Steamboat
1 million cubic square feet of water dump into the Gulf of Mexico from the Mississippi per second.
Yeah, and we were talking, she's like, my mom's like, where's all that water come from? And we were like talking about how it's like drainage partially from storms. And she's like, oh, from poop and pee.
later became the old
Cubic square feet per second from Rhonda.
He said over
Comes from
14
us
years ago,
pooping and peeing.
Hurricane Katrina.
The entire U.S. is in severe drought. Well, it's been I had an upset stomach yesterday.
If we could just figure out how to filter Rhonda's poop and pee, then we'd be set. There'd be no drought.
We're going down to the second deck to get some lunch. They got a buffet.
Whoa.
Oh, heck yeah. How is it?
It's really good. And the coolest thing, they have lemon juice inside of a packet.
I'm way too excited about that.
I don't have anything to put it on, but I got one anyway.
We'll hang it up on our wall when we get home. The Cajun Bloody Mary.
Hi, Adam.
Wow.
Fish and foliage from all around the world.
Get on the door, Jack. I'm
A
so
1 million gallon
That's not what you said.
freshwater, saltwater fish.
Okay.
Next to
Whoa,
the big
we're, like,
Energy
right by
Giant
the water.
Screen Theater.
Careful with that.
You can watch movies in 3D.
This thing goes fast.
Whoa.
is friggin' cool.
I've been holy balls. It's hot in here.
It's very hot in here. Very, very hot in here.
Is it hotter than balls?
Hotter than balls.
Say holy balls.
Holy balls in here.
Holy balls is hot. So I went to the bathroom and I realized that Adam had my phone. So now I don't know where anyone is and I'm just walking around the steamboat and we're about to dock. I'm sure I'll see him eventually. This is about where I left them. Ooh, look at that cruise ship. Yeah, we're about to dock right up by that other steamboat. And I have not seen them. We had just left the engine room, which is right here. And they're not here anymore. So I feel like they probably went looking for me. And now they're probably like could be anywhere walking around looking for me. So I don't know, like maybe I'll stay put. But then maybe they're staying put. That's always the question, right? But right now I'm lost. Well, I'm not lost. I'm just separated. They were looking for me, I knew it. I knew it.
Where the heck were you?
Looking for you.
I went all over this boat.
So did I.
Had a few drinks while you were gone too.
Yes. No, I'm just joking. Oh, that's cool. Go with that rope. That's a lot of rope. That's a lot of rope. Rope, 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 rope.
Here's the aquarium,
Rope.
I think.
Oh, it's a big shark.
He's about to parallel park this big booty. Big booty. Look at that precision. He's got us. Got us. Oh, he got it.
Are you okay? What are you doing, weirdo?
I'm gonna film them.
You're gonna film
I'm
them?
gonna film them tying us up to shore.
You look like a little creep up here on the stairs.
You're in my way. I'm gonna film them, like tying us up to shore.
No, I'm gonna steal your shot and get in your way. You're not gonna be able to film it.
Whatever.
The only place you're gonna be able to see it is on my YouTube channel.
Good, then I'll have to sign up.
Like and subscribe. Hit that like and subscribe button. Do it.
Hit that like and subscribe button, whatever that means.
You don't know what that means?
I've probably done it on accident when I've been
Yeah,
logged
you've
in.
done it on my YouTube and you like the randomest channels, like people that have like 5 videos. And it's like some random old guy that like, this guy had like 5 videos and they were like him in his living room. Like, I don't even know what he was doing. And I was just like, what is this?
It was so funny.
And
I
it's
didn't even
because-
know. I was like, oh look, I can subscribe to things.
Because I leave my stuff logged in on her
I don't know.
iPad.
I didn't know I could do that.
Yeah, I'm all logged in on her iPad. So she
Krista calls
just,
me up. Mom,
I don't-
stop subscribing.
just I didn't do that. This guy's got like 2 subscribers and I'm one of them.
I know, it was so funny.
And the other one's his mom. Alright, it looks like our boat tour is coming to a close. It's been real.
All right, right, we're here at Biloxi Beach in Biloxi, Mississippi, and this is the first time they've seen the ocean. They are ridiculously anxious to get out there and go play in it.
Are you guys excited?
Day at the beach.
So this will be their first ocean experience.
Off you go, Baloo. Woo!
What do you think, Lila? Oh,
Baloo's in.
Baloo touched the ocean. Oh, the